A baby's cry isn't just noise, it's their first language. Here's what many parents don't realize. Every cry is a question. Every tear tells a tale. Instead of trying to stop crying, let's understand what it means. When we respond thoughtfully, something amazing happens. We don't just soothe our babies, we build trust and connection. By listening closely to our babies' cries, we transform from worried parents into confident caregivers who understand their child's unique language. This isn't about perfect parenting. It's about growing together. Want to learn more about understanding your baby's communication? Click the link in my bio for our guide to the first 3 years.